Hi, so today I wanted to share with you this really adorable tray and how I utilize it and how great it has been. Let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman and this is A Peach Life. So I got this cute little tray and it's by the Pioneer Women it's their line with Walmart. And it's a cookie sheet tray. It's tin. It's a super cute color. And you can also add in this silicone little roll. It just rolls out. It's super cute. Some people call them Silpats. It's a silicone, a cookie like sheet. And the reason why I love it so much, so I can put all my little items on here, stack everything up, and it will release cookies really easily. But when you put stuff on it, because it has this nice little silicone-y feel, things do not slide around. That gives a good give back. So everything I kind of just set on here and toss on here that I want to take out to the garden with me. I have my little trash bin, my glass little bowl of water. It's not going to slide around. And I don't always want to take a tote bag and then lay that stuff all over my table or things in the garden. And this just ends up perfectly. Or sometimes I don't want to get out my tablecloth and do like a full day little setup out there. And so this works so good. It's a nice size. It's 17 across and 13 this direction here. And it's 17 without the handles. And it is so good. It has been like such a little lovely game changer for me. I do like to bring my little tote bags and set up out there, but now when all my little goodies and stuff are in here, and so I just kind of can take things right off of my desk, my little tray of my little bowl of stamps. And oh, you know what? You guys had asked me about this little bowl when you saw it prior to it being full of the cute stamps. And so let me show that. This little guy, he's so cute. It's from Nico Neko in New York. And they just did a little restock literally like a day or two ago on their Instagram, showing they're back in stock. And I think it's like 4 or 6 different little patterns. They're so cute. They're so special. So they had been sold out for like a really, really long time. So I just wanted to give you guys that little update in case you were thinking about that, or when someone asked me about that, there is the little info. So anyways, this tray is marvelous. I love it so much. Let me give you just like a little overhead look there. It holds all my little goodies. And again, like I was saying, I like that I can just grab things off of my desk and put on here that maybe I'm not going to take in my tote bag or grab a huge tote bag and have to unload all this stuff. And then I just bring it back in, set it on my desk, put things away, or I can also take that with me to the kitchen table or set it up on the little ottoman in my front room. It works out so good. So I just wanted to share this, give you a little idea of something. If you're looking for something like this or something you can utilize, they were a really, really good price. And the little silicone pad is really what makes a difference. If not, this is so smooth, everything would be sliding all around. And it's a great size and a great price. So it just works out wonderful. And let me just show you this real quick. This is by Hobonichi, and it's a cute, I've had it for several years, and it's definitely a great little item to have, and you can drop it in your tote bag or however with you also. So I like little things I can grab and go. All right, so I hope this gives you some good little ideas. Let me know in the comments if this is something that would work for you, or if you have something similar, or what works for you. I'd love to know about it. Thanks so much.